Can you catch me a fish?
Oh, I want to catch a striper.
Welcome back, all my radical people. Today we are like 5 miles from Arizona, and we're staying at that hotel right off the 8. I don't know what it's called, it starts with a Q. But we found this spot right here. This is the Colorado River, I believe, and Caleb is fishing it. So hopefully he catches a fish. We're going to float down the river tomorrow. Hopefully the weather will be better and it'll be warm. But we're going to watch Caleb fish and hopefully he catches something. Across the street over there, they're telling me Mexico is like less than a quarter mile that way. It's definitely starting to get chilly. It's blowing like 25, 30 mile an hour gusts or something like that. Yeah, I don't know how much longer. Look, there's the casino. See that right there? Right there. There's the casino we're staying in. I don't remember what it's called. Q something or another, but this place is pretty nice. So I heard that the guys over here were telling me that this is tribal right here, and so you have to have they've never seen like the tribal police ever come here, but you have to get a tribal license, and they're only $10. So if they do show up, then we'll just purchase one, and yeah, so hopefully we'll go over here and catch a fish here. I'd much rather catch a fish than not catch a fish, so I'm gonna turn the camera around and watch it. And if we don't catch one tonight, we'll come back tomorrow and try tomorrow. You're not cold at all? Can you give me a good thumbnail? Can you catch me a fish?
Oh, I want to catch a striper.
Yeah, I want you to catch anything but a striper. I mean, first a striper. But anything will do. Oh, Caleb, good job!
Oh, wait.
Hey!
You see him?
I saw it!
Oh, man. I'm scared of treble hooks, so I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I got him foul hooked a little, though.
Put him against your chest, like Mom does.
No, because the hook's right there, bro.
Thumb in his mouth.
I got him. Yeah.
Hee hee!
Little guy. Dude, I foul hooked him, though, because he ate it.
Hey, it's as big as a lure. Let me see it. I don't know how good of a picture I'm getting right
It's a little
here.
turd. I thought I hit the
so
ground, how small that bite was.
Yeah, you're dark, so I don't know how much we're going to see.
This
Let me
thing's
sit on the other side of you.
This is micro.
Go up there. Whoa. Let me see.
I thought I was
Oh, there we
hitting the
go.
ground because it was so shallow.
Sick, dude. At least you got something.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Oh, it's so muddy.
Give him a blow him a kiss. And he's gone.
That was crazy.
35.
Let's
Good
go.
job.
It was such a small bite, I thought it was me hitting the ground again.
Uh-huh.
I saw him eat it.
Good job. I was like, what? I was panning the water, watching the wind blow
I
it.
don't think I've ever caught a fish on a jerkbait.
No? Well, now you can't say that no more. That's because Raleigh gave you that jerkbait.
Well, I got my hopes up now.
Yeah, good.
Fish.
You guys see how windy it is out here? I mean, there's the Tules right there. Catch me another one so we can go.
I just got fish.
Catch another one. Catch a big one. I'm cold. Oh yeah.
I told you, man. Oh, this is too. Oh, it's a striper. Oh my god. No, it's a striper, Raleigh. Ow, he's poking me. Ow, I just got hooked in the hand.
That's outside. You threw that sucker on the dirt. Throw it back in the water and get him cleaned off.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Throw him against your chest.
I don't want to get hooked.
Come on, there you go.
Oh, the hook's swam.
Caleb, here, give me your pole.
I got it. Here. Come on. First striper I've ever caught. I've been wanting to catch this fish for so long.
Woohoo!
On the jerkbait, the white jerkbait.
The one that the guy gave us next
Yeah.
across the street.
He's a lifesaver.
Yeah, he is. All about the kids. Hey, give me your pole. You got your phone? You know you're taking pictures of this one,
Oh
right?
yeah.
Woo!
Let's go, dude.
Let me get out of the. You want me to take your picture?
Yeah, please. Thank you, buddy.
He gone.
And that thing works.
It works.
Oh yeah. Oh,
You ready?
No, we're good.
You better catch one more. Now the striper's on. Deal?
It's active. I got bit and then two more casts.
Two more casts. We got I'm cold, but there's nothing funner than watching Caleb catch fish. Especially that striper, because that's all he's been talking about, and he finally got himself one. So let's see if he can catch another one before we gotta go, because I'm cold. Alright, we made it back to the truck. It's cold out there. Caleb's just right there. Caleb's just right there, so I want to make sure I keep my eyes on him, because if he falls in there, somebody's got to call for help. You're right, I'm jumping in after him. I don't want him to go swimming though, but brr, it's getting cold up here. Well, I heard that up here. Would you lose it? Oh, what happened?
I don't know what was wrong with whatever.
Damn bait caster.
Bruh, I got all, no, it's because it got all stuck up and there was something wrong with my knot.
Oh, you lost that lure.
Bro.
We're gonna have to go and get you a new one of those tomorrow from Walmart. Or we'll find the bait shop.
Let me get this. I got like a rat's nest.
We'll get it out. Alright, well, that happened, so we'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying. Maybe we'll get Mama out here fishing too, so see you guys tomorrow.
Kind of looks like a carp.
Could have been a carp coming up to check it out. What's that?
It's a bass.
You caught something you didn't even tell us?
Bro, I literally just pulled him all
That
the
looks
way.
like a lure.
I know.
Throw him in so he don't
Buddy.
die.
Oh no. Oh, he's good. It's a tiny bass though, like the size of the one that I pulled up.
You don't want that. We're catching big fish here. Huh, they really cut it off. That's freaking crazy. I hate walking on these things. Look at that. They straight cut it off. So I was talking to some people the other day, Javier. He said this canal used to run down into Mexico, but they built that other one for the casino. I'm assuming it's a turbulent thing, so that's where they get their power, but this is what it looks like on the other side of a, I don't know, canal when they close it off. You guys, look at this. This is crazy. So crazy looking. Oh, I bet you that'd be fun to ride down, right in the water. That is crazy. So cool. I don't know if you guys think it's cool, but I think it's freaking cool looking. There's so much water pressure behind all that right there. Man, that's cool. I can honestly say I never seen nothing like that before. Hope you guys enjoy that. Let's go back up here and see if Caleb's catching any fish yet or not. Come on, buddy. Oh, check this out. There's the end of it. The All-America now stays in All-America now. Scary looking over the edge. You guys want to see? I know it's not that far of a drop, but that's scary looking. I hate looking over the edge. There's Caleb. We're busted. We're not busted. He don't care. Just ask him where the good fishing is. Always ask the locals, bro.
Whitewater, huh?
Oh, my what?
Is it along the whitewater?
Yeah.
Cause it's like, I've seen them do it on YouTube.
Yeah. This is windy on this side. You're gonna lose your hat. You guys see that? We just talked to one of the rangers and they gave Caleb the pointers. Nice people out here. Whitewater. You've been trying over here all morning. Alright, switched up our lure again. Yes, kids, get a bait caster. I don't know. Leave me a comment down below. What's the benefit between a bait caster and a spinning reel? Because at this rate, it looks like a spinning reel is much better. Leave us a comment down below and tell me, because I don't get it. He spends more time unraveling his spool. Alright, Caleb says we're putting on Old Trusty. What's Old Trusty, Caleb?
Whitehead and Spook Jr.
Alright. It's gonna catch us some fish finally. You guys saw this morning he caught that one fish. It was like that big.
Big as the lure.
But you caught it. You guys see that lizard down there? Oh, I missed him. Oh, he went home. I almost caught him.
What?
That lizard. He went home though. That was cool.